But welcome back. Let's do question 9C2. In the diagram alongside A, B, D, and the origin lie on the circle with center C. The equation of the circle is x squared plus y squared plus 6x minus 8y is equal to 0. The equation of the line AB is x minus 2y plus 21 is equal to 0. We are asked to find whether CB passes through the midpoint of line AD or not. From 9C1, we found the coordinates of the midpoint of AD. Let's call this point P. Right, we found that the coordinates of this point are negative 9 over 2, and then 9 over 2. Right, from the previous questions, we found the coordinates of C. We say the coordinates of C is negative 3, then 4. Then coordinates of B, negative 7, 7. Then coordinates of A, we got negative 3, 9. Determine whether CB passes through the midpoint of line AD. So we have our line CB, draw it here. This is the line CB. Does it pass through point P? So there are two ways to do this, right? If these 3 points, B, P, and C are collinear, then means line CB is passing through the midpoint of AD. Or we can find the equation of CB, and then after finding the equation of CB, we can substitute the x coordinates of P into the equation and see if we're going to get Y. Right, let's start with the first one to find if these 3 points are collinear. B, P, and C. Right, let's find the gradient of CB first. Y at C minus Y at B over x at C minus x at B. So the gradient of CB is equal to 4 minus 7 over negative 3 minus negative 7. Okay, then we get that the gradient is negative 3 over 4. So this is the gradient of CB. Then let's find the gradient of CP. Gradient of CP, MCP, will be equal to the y at P minus y at C over x at P minus x at C. And it's going to be gradient of CP, y at P is 9 over 2. Or you can use 4,5, still fine, minus y at C, which is 4, right, over x at P, which is negative 9 over 2. You can even use negative 4,5, and then minus negative 3. Then the gradient is negative 1 over 3. And then if you check here, the gradient of CP is not equal to the gradient of CP. Therefore, CP does not pass through the midpoint of AD. Right, that's method 1. Then method 2, we can find the equation of line CB, and then if we substitute the x coordinate of P into the equation, we must get the y coordinate of P if P is on the line. If we don't get the y coordinate after substituting the x coordinate, then means that P is not on the line. Let's find the equation of CB. Right, we found the gradient of CB in the previous method, and then we say that is going to be negative 3 over 4, right? And then y is equal to mx plus c, meaning that y is equal to negative 3 over 4 x plus c. Now we need to find the value of c, and then we can substitute b or c. We can substitute these coordinates or these coordinates. Let's substitute the coordinates of c. So it's going to be y is equal to negative 3 over 4 times negative 3. Our y is what? Our y is 4, then plus c, meaning that 4 minus 9 over 4 is equal to c. Therefore, C is equal to 7 over 4. Therefore, the equation of CP is y is equal to negative 3 over 4x plus 7 over 4. Right. Now let's substitute the x coordinates of P and see if we're going to get 9 over 2. So y is equal to negative 3 over 4 times negative 9 over 2 plus 7 over 4. Then we're getting y is equal to 41 over 8. Right? And then we're not getting 9 over 2. Therefore, CP does not pass through the midpoint of 80.